Okay. Now let us determine the overall current gain. AI. So AI, the overall current gain is output current of the last stage to the input current of the first stage. So for the last stage, the output current is IA2. The input current is IB1. So I have to add a minus sign because the current we have taken actually flowing into the transistor, but if we take across the load, it has to come to the other side. So this we can rewrite as minus IE2 by IB2 into IB2 divided by IC1 into IC1 by IB1, so that the value is not changed. But this minus IE2 by IB2 is the current gain of the second stage, so we can call it as AI2 IB2 by IC1 is collected to collector current, because the same thing is coming here, and this one IC1 by IB1 for the first stage the current gain. So now we have to determine this IB2 by IC1. So you can take this figure from the collector of first stage C1, which is coming to RC1, and you take the next stage B2. So here this is the current IB2 and this is the current IC1. So IB2 we have to take, it has to go in this direction. And here you can see this will be your RI2. So now the current flowing through IB2 if we want to find, so we can have IB2 is equal to minus IC1 into RC1 divided by RC1 plus RI2. So this minus indicates the currents are in the opposite direction. Okay, just it's the voltage divider. Sorry, the current division rule we have applied here. So now IB2 by IC1, if you bring this to the next denominator, we can have this is RC1 by RC1 plus RI2. So now substitute this value here, you will get minus AI1 into AI2 into RC1 by RC1 plus RI2. There is one minus in here, so this will cancel, you will get plus. So AI1 we get determined earlier. AI1 is minus 44.5. AI2 we get determined 45.3 into RC1 is 5K 5 into 10 power 3 divided by 5 into 10 power 3 plus RI2 228.5K, sorry, into 10 power 3. So if we calculate, you will get the overall AI is equal to minus 43.5 2. Okay, so this is the overall current gain. We have got it. Similarly, you can determine the voltage gain. Overall voltage gain AV is given as AI into RE2 by RI1. So AI is minus 43.2 into RE2 is 5 into 10 power 3 divided by RI1 1.87 into 10 power 3. So that will be given as minus 115. So the same value will get AV is equal to AV1 into AV2, the individual voltage gains. If you multiply, AV1 is minus 116.6 into second is 0.99. You will get again minus 115. Also this AI you may get AI1 into AI2 no, sorry, the current gain cannot be taken like that. That involve this resistor combination. So voltage gain we can determine either this way. You can determine the individual voltage gain of each stage. You can multiply them together. You will get the value. Or if you find the overall current gain, then by using this formula you can determine the overall voltage gain this way. So with this we have completed this problem. So in the same manner we can try other problems. Okay.